Okay, so we spent the night at the Diamond A cattle ranch. Sadly, not a whole lot of cattle, just one bull. They do cattle for rodeos, and I guess it's rodeo season? Summertime? I don't know. Anyway, not a whole lot of cows. In fact, only the one. But there were some horses. There was a beautiful dog, Fred, a great Pyrenees mix of some kind. He was spotted. He was adorable. And Bob the cat, who has his own dinner place setting, who liked to come around and try to sneak into the rig. But we're off. Woohoo! Gas under $4 a gallon. $3.94 at the Sinclair at Kimball. Pit stop at a rest area about 40 miles from Sioux City, which is about 35 miles from where I need to turn to start heading south to Omaha. Well, how about that? I'm in Iowa. I didn't know I'd be crossing into Iowa to get to Omaha. I guess I need to take better geography lessons. But anyway, missed a sign, and my RV Life app does not tell me welcome to a new state like Google Maps does, but this is Iowa. Another pit stop, another rest area. This one's all pretty and green. I think I'm still in Iowa, not 100%. Yes, I know, my geography sucks. Sue me. Oh goody, another semi-detour where they close my side of the freeway, which is off on the other side of the freeway, which is fine. But my GPS goes absolutely bananas. I keep telling you, get back on the road, get back on the road. Like it can't understand that I'm right next to it and I'm still going the same way. It's mind-boggling. Not 100% sure, but I do believe this upcoming bridge is what will take me into Nebraska official. We are on the 680 West. But I don't think that's, when I looked at the map at the last rest area, like it wasn't officially Nebraska until you cross the river. But just pay attention and look out for the signs, since my Google mapping, which is a Google map, isn't going to tell me that we've entered Nebraska. Ah, it is right there on the bridge. Missouri Bridge, Missouri River, the Mormon Bridge, Nebraska. The good life, home of Arbor Day. Woohoo! We're in Nebraska. Quite frankly, this is freaking me out. According to my map service, I have reached my destination, and it looks quite lovely. A little breezy out there, but still 87 degrees. There's a check-in place.